I get asked all the time why roof systems are tested and rated. I get asked also why insurance companies, some insurance companies, have such rigid requirements when you put a new roof on your building. To answer that question, let's look at history from 1953. The General Motors transmission plant in Livonia, Michigan. It was a modern post-war building where they married traditional construction techniques together. That was before we tested roof systems. A small lube oil fire inside the building had almost been put out. It was a minor event, but it got the bottom of the roof deck hot, and the roof bitumen started to drip into the building. And reports indicate that in a very short time, it was literally raining fire in the building because the bitumen was dripping in, which was just added fuel to the fire. And a 1.5 million square foot building was leveled in 40 minutes. So why are there standards today? The General Motors plant in Livonia, Michigan from 1953 is one of those reasons. Want to know more? Let me know. My contact information is in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #Rolf the Roofing Guy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble. Make it a great day.